it's Kira Cat Marielle. I just wanted to add this little update to the video so I can inform you on my future plans for my stop motion videos. Since school is approaching faster than we know it, I thought it would be best to do stop motion shorts up until next summer so that I can focus on school and you wouldn't have to wait too long for my next video. Sorry about that. Well, see you soon. Hope you had a great summer. Thank you for watching.